Hi folks! Welcome back to your favorite trumpet course channel. I am Davide Pianegonda, the founder of Corso di Tromba. I am very excited to announce you a few news here. Here is one fun fact for you. The last time I recorded the trailer for this YouTube channel, we were just 300 subscribers. Right now, in April 2024, we are already over 1,200 subscribers. That's an impressive 400% more since the last time, that was just 1.5 years ago. So thank you all for your support. If you are new here, all what you need to know is that we are committed to help trumpet players regardless of the level, education or age. These are not relevant factors for us. Whether you are a beginner, a professional trumpet player or a passionate one, here you will find the right support for you. Our mission is to provide high-quality trumpet tutorials, play-alongs, duets, practice tips, performance demonstrations that are both informative and engaging. You will find hundreds of videos that will help you improving your skills and trumpet knowledge. With our experience and support, you will develop your trumpet technique, you will improve your musical knowledge, and on the overall you will become a better musician. Last but not the least, if you want some extra services, if you want to give yourself a special treatment, there are some paid services. For example, online lessons, masterclasses, video courses, or in general consultations. If you are ready to join our beautiful community, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Of course, if you have any specific topics or questions you would like us to cover, let us know in the comment here below. Thanks for being here with me today, and let's make beautiful music together. See you in the next video. Ciao!